So the next task is, I want the customers, those who are customer name, those who are from USA and the state California, and their credit limit is, so their country should be USA and their state should be California, and their credit limit should be greater than 1000. Okay, 100,000, greater than 100,000. So just think on how will you apply and operator and get the results. Yeah, so let me tell you how it works. So yeah, select the country column, select the country and city. Sorry, let me take state, and I want the customers also. So let me take customers name, country, state, and the credit limit from customers table, where your country is equal to USA. Okay, let me put that in a new line, USA, and your state equal to California or CA, and I'm using one more condition, so I'm taking and your credit limit is greater than 1 lakh or 100,000. Okay, just put a colon and execute this. Customers whose credit limit is greater than your value, and they are from country USA and state CA.